TikTok finds, the rearview mirror has blurred vision in rainy days, causing a car accident. This rearview mirror rain film, effectively waterproof and anti-fog, provides a safe and clear vision, drives the vehicle safely. TikTok finds, this is a 2-in-1 mat. One side is woven by plant rattan branches. The material is soft and smooth, breathable and non-sticky. The reverse side is an ice silk mat, cool and comfortable.
Gadgets from Amazon. If you are tired of driving without a place to rest, you can put a folding mattress in the car, unfold it and hang it on the car seat. You can sleep in the back and do some other things. Link in my bio.
A few Father's Day gift idea. And this Campstove will not only grill food but can also use fire to charge up devices.
I just need to put this out there as a disclaimer. If you're a person who is trying to save money or you have some financial goals for yourself, do not follow me. This is a maximalist account. I'm an enabler, and I will lead you down to ruin with me.
I was sick of seeing this every day, so I found a solution. These silicone caps for the kids' toothpaste. Looks like I broke the cycle.
People every year are killed by falling AC units, which is why you need this bracket. It fits together and installs without screwing or drilling, and your AC unit goes on top. It's completely adjustable, so fits any window, can hold up to 200 pounds, and it will stop your AC from falling backwards and killing someone.
Random Amazon finds it just slap. This portable fan lets you stay cool when working outside or being outdoors. It's rechargeable, has 3 fan speeds with super strong airflow. You can clip it onto your belt or wear it as a necklace, and you can even charge your phone with it.
I'm about to show you how to fold your shirts exactly the same every single time like all the clothing stores do. This is a shirt folding board that folds items into uniform size in less than 5 seconds. Lay the board down flat and then put your t-shirt in the center of the board.
Amazon for the win for $258. I just snagged this portable Apple Watch charger. It comes in 3 different colors and it has been so useful. It has a charging cable and 4 indicator lights. It also has a clip which makes it really easy to transport. I put it on my keys, you can clip it onto your purse, and this way you can charge your Apple Watch anywhere at any time. It's a must-have.
He comprado este nuevo cepillo limpiador que me ha encantado. Es perfecto para hacerte la pedicura y que te queden los pies tan suaves como el culito de un bebé. También tiene 3 cabezales más para usarlos en tu rostro y limpiarlo profundamente, eliminando todas las impurezas y que tu cara quede muy limpia. Así evitarás cualquier tipo de granito que te pueda salir, y lo mejor es que me ha costado solo 10 euros y hay en 3 colores diferentes.
Here's some ways to stay cool this summer. Anyone else have that one room in their home that no matter how much you adjust the thermostat, the room just never gets cold? This is the Infinity Air Trap. Remove your floor register and place the air trap inside your vent. Plug it in, and the booster fans will suck in the cool air from the vents into your room. It turns on automatically when the AC is on and is both energy and noise efficient. And this mattress cooler goes underneath your fitted sheet and sends chilled water through the cooling pad to keep you cool at night. So are these something you need or don't?
Amazon beauty finds. Okay, first up is our new floss pick dispenser that is double-sided and dispenses a pick when you press on one of the buttons. This keeps everything organized rather than strewn out in your drawer somewhere. And next are these reusable mini spatulas that are made for scooping out the perfect amount of product from your jars of moisturizer or your favorite lip mask. They come in a pack of 6 and they're so much more sanitary than dipping your fingers directly into the jar of product and possibly breeding bacteria.